Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into something absolutely massive. We're looking at how AI and digital disruption are forcing a complete ground-up reinvention of global industries. Supply chains are shifting, expectations are transforming, and entire operating models are basically being rewritten overnight. So let's jump right in, because understanding this shift, it's really no longer optional. It's the fundamental requirement for the future of business. So I have to ask, do you truly understand how your industry creates value? It's a huge question, because despite all these unprecedented changes happening around us, the business world has a major problem. Most professionals, even the really experienced ones, only understand a tiny fraction of how their businesses actually operate. They might know their specific department inside and out, but they completely lack that big picture view of how value is created from end to end. And that leads to a critical knowledge gap. Today, the vast majority of people are just stuck working within a single function. They're basically trapped in a marketing silo or a finance silo, totally missing the forest for the trees. But compare that to someone who actually understands the complete industry value chain. If you only see your one little puzzle piece, there's just no way you can drive meaningful transformation, let alone leverage massive new technologies like AI effectively. Which brings us to a really crucial point. Mastering what we call value chain thinking is rapidly becoming the absolute most valuable skill for any future business leader or AI innovator. Literally, it's the ability to zoom out, look at the whole board, and understand how every single moving part of an industry ecosystem connects to deliver actual value to the end customer. And look, global enterprises are absolutely desperate for people who can connect these dots. They don't just need more coders or traditional managers anymore. What they are urgently searching for are visionary professionals who can bridge the gap between high-level strategy, operations, technology, and AI execution. The market is practically crying out for true transformation leaders. Which leads us to our first section, the Global Solution, specifically the Industry Value Chain and Business Transformation Forum. To meet this massive global demand, Modus has actually built an international community, and it's explicitly designed to give you a powerful competitive advantage. So whether you're an entrepreneur looking to scale a new idea, an AI professional wanting to solve real-world business challenges, or maybe an MBA student seeking practical consulting frameworks, well, if you want to broaden your scope, this forum is exactly where you need to be to stay ahead of the curve. The foundation of all this starts with an intensive 2-hour opening session called Business Transformation in the Age of AI. And this isn't just going to be some passive lecture where you stare at a screen. It's a highly dynamic, interactive discussion exploring exactly why organizations must continuously adapt just to survive. It's all about giving you a completely new, grounded perspective on why businesses actually succeed or fail in today's era. Now, to give you a taste of what that looks like, top-tier consultants always look at 5 core elements to identify bottlenecks and unlock performance. We're talking strategy, people, process, systems, and data. And here's the catch. You cannot change one of these without impacting all the rest. Think about it. If you implement a new AI system, your data has to be structured, your processes have to adapt, your people need new skills, and your overall strategy needs to align. This unbreakable relationship is the absolute core of any business ecosystem. Moving on to Section 2, beyond the introduction and into real-world application. Because this forum goes so much further than just theory. It's not a one-and-done seminar where you jot down a few notes and go home. For the participants who continue the journey, you unlock some incredible, hands-on professional development. You'll actually get to participate in structured industry research, get advanced consulting training, and this is the best part, contribute to real-world AI projects. Imagine actually applying AI across active business value chains alongside experienced domain experts. That is exactly how you build a robust, totally future-proofed career. Next up is Section 3, a truly global network, focusing on our international hubs. To match the incredible scale of global digital disruption, this initiative is connecting professionals across major international hubs. We're talking Bangalore, Dubai, New York, San Francisco, and London. Because, honestly, understanding the global value chain requires a truly global perspective. And for a highly accessible nominal fee, which just varies slightly by region, you get entry into this elite international network of forward-thinking professionals. Now, pay attention to this, because here is the ultimate founding member launch offer. The very first 10 people to register in each of these global cities, you get in completely free, literally no cost. But it is strictly on a first-come, first-served basis, so it's heavily rewarding those of you who are decisive and ready to take immediate action on your career. Oh, and specifically for the venue in Bangalore, there is a massive founding offer. The first 100 participants will be admitted completely free of charge. After that initial launch phase fills up, the standard fee of 1,500 Indian rupees will apply. So if you're in that region, the incentive to act right now is huge. You definitely don't want to miss that.
And finally, Section 4. Join the global movement.
At the end of the day, the future belongs entirely to those who understand how value is created, how industries evolve, and how transformation unlocks unprecedented growth. And getting started is incredibly simple. It's just 3 steps. Step 1, complete the registration form to share a bit about your background. Step 2, our team will review your profile. And Step 3, you receive your confirmed session slot. It's a super streamlined process designed to get you into the room with other ambitious minds as quickly as possible.
So as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this one critical question. As AI and digital disruption continue to completely rewrite the rules of the global economy, will you be left behind in a functional silo, or will you be the one who understands the whole picture? It's time to transform the way you think about business today. Master the value chain and go secure your spot.